No, it makes no sense. But what's up, y'all? So oh, that's a big ass beat. But today I am going to attempt to clear the headlights. Again, because I'm not spending no 400, 500, $600 on some new headlights just because these are hazy, you know? They ain't cracked or nothing. Again, they're in good shape, they're just hazy. So I'm not spending that type of money. So let's try to clear them instead, or clear them instead. Because as you can kind of see, they just have a little bit of haze to them. They're not terrible. They're not like the vibe over here. They're just got some haze to them, and I don't really like it. So I am going to attempt to refresh these. Fucking. So I'm in some Y33 Q45 SEMA groups, and a lot of people recommended this CERAKOTE headlight restoration kit. So I picked up at Advance, and I'm gonna try it out. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Do I normally just buy new headlights, call it a day? Yes. You know how much the car is. But yeah. So we're gonna try this shit out. Okay. I'm also attempting to record with my camera today. Hopefully it's higher quality than normal on my phone, but we'll see. Get your step 1 oxidation remover. They gave you a couple of them. Your step 2s, which is 2000 grit and 3000 grit in this little Velcro hand pad. And then after that, you got your ceramic clear coating. Give you some gloves. I also have some soapy water in a Windex bottle, because it says what in step 1, wash them. You gotta wash your headlights. So these definitely do need a wash. So yeah, I have the hood pop because I'm a mess. I'll throw some masking tape underneath around, cover the paint up and whatnot. Then I'll have the hood open, and I'll just give them a spray down and a good wipe down with the this bird blowing out, and wipe down with that rag over there, and then I'll get to doing everything else. So let's get a before of the headlights as best I can. Passenger side. And then let's go from that. So yeah, move everything and start getting to wiping it down. I got everything masked off, so I'm gonna hit with some soapy water in a Windex bottle, and then just wipe it down for a ball flow. Ugh, this pollen killing me. Shit. So sorry out for all the sniffling and whatnot, but yeah, man, everywhere is just yellow from pollen, bruh. It's just killing me. All right, now they're wiped down and pretty clean, pretty alright. We're gonna throw the provided gloves on, cause you don't know what this stuff does to your hands, so always wear some gloves. Keep them clean. And then we're gonna start with step 1, which is this oxidation remover. And they say to go ahead and just use all the provided Even if it looks good, just go ahead and use all of them before you start to get into the sanding part. So there's 4. I don't know. There's 4 for each side. So 4 on this side, 4 on the other side. And it's just wipe in a circular motion. So start over here. Just yeah, as you can see, it's starting to turn a little bit yellow. I don't know if you can make sure it's actually showing up in the camera. It's too blown out. Hey, you can kind of see it. That was kind of orange. But yeah, just gonna continue to use this guy. Yeah, yeah, look at that. And all that orange brown. All right, so that's step 1 done. That's just tedious. That shit, my arms hurt. But now we're gonna move on to step 2, which is sanding them down, wet sanding them. This guy's up some. So the burgundy, this burgundy is 2,000. This green is 3,000. Obviously, you start with 2K. Gonna end up doing both of them during this step as well. So they give you this little palm sander, take soapy water, spray it down, wet it up. And this one you want to go as straight as possible. Probably a hash. How the fuck you say it? Hash lines or some shit. Really, you want to keep it as straight as possible. Wet up the sandpaper as well. Don't forget that. Let the headlight up real good, and just go at it. Alright, so see through the haze a little bit. You can kind of tell, but not really. But it's all pretty uniform. It's gonna be cloudy. That's what's gonna happen when you sand something. But yeah. So you got that side. I just finished this side. Uh, Once this side dries, and I'll double check it. But gonna move over to, if that side's good, then move over to 3K, the green pads, and just more wet sanding. You know, already I went over with the 3K, and it's looking pretty alright. Pretty alright. All smooth and everything. So I'm gonna back it out so it's got direct sunlight, so it can fully dry before you hit it with the ceramic clear coat. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Give it a chance to dry completely, so I'll give it about an hour, and then yeah. So some small updates around the place. The Aztec is gone, and the Vibe is taking its place. Thank fuck. I've been trying to get my dad to get rid of that Aztec for so long. So oh my god, we got the Vibe in here now. So that's a car out of the yard. The Civic, I sold the Civic. This is my Trans Am. I'll go over that on a later day. The C10's over here for whatever reason, and the Jeep we got running again. So, but that's very bright, very bright. The Q45 is also back on its stocks. I sold the wheels that were on it. The next day after I sold the Civic, all the tint is gone off the car. So yeah, all the tint is off the car except for the back window that I'm dreading to do. I tried it. I got to here, and then it started to delaminate and leave all the tint behind. So I'm like, bruh, fuck it. But yeah, all the tint is off. This mirror broke. Like the glass fell off, as you can see when I just touched it then. So it decided it wanted to come loose from its adhesive, and it fell off. I was able to re-stick it. God. I was able to re-stick it, and then it fell off again, and then the next time it fucking completely shattered, broke. So I gotta get a whole new mirror glass. I gotta get a whole new mirror, which sucks. It sucks running around looking like that, but it is what it is. Every day I just press it back on so I can see where I'm going, and then keep on moving until I buy a new mirror, because mirrors are like $100, and I don't really want to pay for it. But I also want to see if there's any, like, if anybody's done any aftermarket ones that might fit here, but we'll see. I don't know if the SEMA mirrors are any different, but yeah. I also gotta give this car a bath, bro. Like, really bad. Like I was saying, the pollen is crazy. But, and we just had some rain, so it's not as bad as it was, but these motherfuckers were fully yellow. You'd think I'd painted these cars yellow, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna push this out, back it out. But I'm gonna move it out, let it dry up, and then go from there. So yeah, I will see y'all in about an hour or so. Alright, so it's been about an hour, letting it dry. I use my little electric duster here to get all the water out of the tight spots and whatnot. So now it's time for step 3 here, which is the CERAKOTE. So throw on your second pair of gloves, and then just wipe it on. It's the wipe on type, and that needs to cure for about I think like an hour needs to cure for, but I'm just fucking leave it out here in the day. You don't want to drop it around until it clears though, or else it'll get messed up. You don't want it to get wet either, so that's why you gotta make sure you do a really good job of drying it off. But get 2 of these. There you go. And you want to take it and just as straight as possible, just wipe it on. 50-50 overlap. And 3 passes should be enough to get it good. And boom. That should be that. That already looks a lot better than when we started. And whatnot. But it looks dirty under that. But yeah, even before letting them cure and all, that is a lot better than what they used to be. 1000%. Brand new headlights. Happy with that. We'll see. We'll double check and see how they're looking once they fully clear, because they're still in the wet state right now and whatnot. But yeah, man, a lot better than it was. A lot better than it was. So yeah, I'll check back with y'all in a little bit. All right, here we are. Should be fully cured at this point. So just dried and everything, and using my phone to record this bit since I can't seem to get the settings on the camera right. But this is what I was talking about before. You can see this headlight just overall is in a bit worse condition. You can see the hazing on it's on the inside of the lens, unfortunately. But yeah, even still came out really good. This one has a 2, I am realizing, but it's not as much as that one. So yeah, overall. Now I will be transparent and say that I did not use all of the initial oxidation of the pads like it says to do. So even though it turned out amazing, it's probably not the absolute best it could be. So, but yeah, this shit, fucking CERAKOTE, this stuff is fucking phenomenal, dude. Like this shit is good. I've used a lot of shit before to clear headlights, and even just went through like 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, and then did it with wet sanding, and then did it with clear coat and shit. But even still, like this is great. So I'm gonna probably use this a bunch with stuff. I gotta fix the headlights on this, cause where is it? Where did I put the? Anyways, it only has one headlight in it, and the motor for that headlight doesn't go up. So, but yeah, it's subtle. It's a small change, but it looks a hell of a lot better than it did with the hazy ass headlights. So I'm happy with how it turned out, and I didn't have to spend fucking $400 something plus however like $300 shipping that they normally run me on it. So but yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna leave this one off here. I do still need to get this corner piece for the fog lights. I'm only missing this side. This side is still here, still fine. I want to change the front bumper too, but you know, we'll figure that out later on, because I want to be able to keep the fog lights on. But what are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? But yeah, I'm gonna leave y'all off here. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Doses.